Everyone, this is my research defense, effect of smoking on health and social behavior of high school student at Dato Pangalima Integrated School. Introduction. Background of the study. Smoking remains a significant public health concern worldwide, especially among young people. Despite widespread awareness of its harmful effects, many high school students begin smoking due to peer pressure, stress, or curiosity. Research shows that smoking not only negatively impacts physical health, causing respiratory problems, cardiovascular disease, and addiction, but also influence social behavior and academic performance. Understanding how smoking affects both the health and social interactions of students is essential for developing effective prevention programs and creating healthier school environments. Statement of the problem. What is the prevalence of smoking among high school students at Dato Pangalima Integrated School? How does smoking affect the physical health of the student? In what way does smoking influence the social behavior and interactions of students? What are the attitudes of students, parents, and educators towards smoking within the school community? What strategies can school adopt to reduce smoking and support students in quitting? Objectives of the study: to determine the rate of smoking among high school students, to assess the health effects experienced by student smokers, to examine the social consequences of smoking, including peer relationship and behavior changes, to gather insight from students, parents, and teachers about smoking, to suggest practical interventions for tobacco prevention and cessation in school. Significance of the study. This research aims to provide valuable information for school administrators, health educators, parents, and policymakers to better understand the health and social challenges caused by smoking among adolescents. It will help in designing tailored programs that promote a smoke-free lifestyle and encourage supportive environments for students struggling with tobacco use. Scope and delimitations. The study focused on high school students along with input from parents and teachers. Within Dato Pangalima Integrated School, it concentrates on smoking habits, related health symptoms, social behavior changes, and community perceptions. The study does not cover other forms of substance abuse of adults outside the school setting. Chapter 2: Review of related literature. Numerous studies highlight the serious health risks of adolescent smoking, such as reduced lung function, increased respiratory infections, and long-term risk of chronic disease. Moreover, smoking is linked with behavior issues including increased risk-taking, social withdrawal, and association with peer groups that may encourage further risk behaviors. Parental and And school influences play a critical role in shaping students' attitude toward smoking, where supportive and informed environments contribute to lower smoking rate. Effective school-based programs combine education, peer support, and counseling to reduce smoking initiation and help students quit. Chapter 3, Methodology Research Design. This study used a descriptive, correlational, and qualitative mixed methods approach to provide a comprehensive view of smoking's impact on students. Participants the study involved high school students, parents, and educators from Tatopong Lima Integrated School. Instruments: survey, questionnaires measuring smoking habits, health symptoms, and social experiences. Focus group discussion and interviews with students, parents, and teachers to explore attitudes and challenges. Data collection. Surveys were administered with informed consent, while focus group and interviews were conducted with voluntary participants in a confidential setting. Data analysis. Quantitative data were analyzed using descriptive statistics to identify smoking prevalence and health issues. Qualitative response were examined through thematic analysis to uncover perception and social impacts. Chapter 4, Results and Discussion. The findings reveal that a significant number of students have tried smoking, with some regular smokers reporting persistent health problems such as cough, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Socially, smokers experience both inclusion in certain peer groups and isolation from non-smoking classmates. Many students acknowledge peer pressure as a strong influence to start smoking. Parents and teachers express concern but noted a lack of comprehensive school programs addressing smoking prevention. The data suggests a need for enhanced education, counseling, service, and family engagement to reduce smoking and support students' well-being. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendation. Smoking among high school students negatively affects both their health and social lives. To address this, schools should implement target prevention programs that include awareness campaigns, peer-led initiatives, and accessible cessation resources. Engaging parents and the broader community is critical to creating a unified effort against adolescent smoking. Regular training for teachers and counselors will also empower them to identify at-risk students and provide support. Ultimate fostering a smoke-free culture in school promotes healthier, happier students better prepared for academic and personal success.